just a couple things, and we're looking at decimals now that go through 10,000ths, through the 10,000ths. And make sure we have, if you have this decimal number here, 6, 3, 4, 2, that 2 is in the 10,000ths place. Make sure you know this. First decimal place is the tenths, and then we have the hundredths. Right? These are with THs. And then you have the thousandths, and then you have the 10,000ths. Those are the decimal place values, and you should note that here. The book is going to ask you just to do a couple things again here, like they have this one. If you're comparing 4.5 to 4.5, 4.456. Please make sure that you understand this very small, important message here. Okay? The number of digits does not matter as much as the digits in what place value matter. If I'm comparing these two numbers, what's bigger, 4 and 5/10ths or 4 and 456 thousandths? Okay, here's what you have to look at. First of all, you look at the whole numbers. If the whole numbers are the same, then you have to look at the decimals. If you look at the decimals, this has a 5 in the tenths place, this has a 4 in the tenths place. It doesn't matter anything more. 4 is smaller than 5, so this is bigger. Okay. If it helps, you can always add zeros at the end of decimals to make it look maybe this would be more friendly for you. This has a 500 after the decimal, this has a 456, so this is bigger. 4.5 is bigger than 4.4 no matter how many digits come after it. I could put 1,000,000 digits after it, this one is still going to be smaller than that one. Make sure you understand that. They will also ask you to write something like this as a fraction. How would you write 0.456 as a fraction? As a fraction, how would you write that? Bryce?
456 over 1,000.
Correct, because the 6 is in the thousands place. That's what goes on the bottom. 4, 5, 6. This one can be reduced. We're not going to worry about it because they won't give you ones probably that way. But please note, however many digits are after the decimal, that's how many zeros are going to follow the 1 over there. Just like if I asked you to change this to a fraction, 0.53. What is 0.53 as a fraction, Jack? 53 over 100. 53 hundredths. And what else will they ask you? Yeah, I don't think they ask anything else. Oh, they'll ask you to use words to write this number. How about this number here? 0.025. If I asked you to write that in words, how would you write that? 0.025. Amelia?
0 and 25,000.
0 and 25, and then whatever place that is in, tenths, hundredths, thousandths. You have that right. Thousandths. Now you don't even need the 0 part. You could, it's acceptable either way. You could leave this off and just say 25 thousandths. It would be the same thing. But if it helps you put that 0 in there. No, I think that'll probably get you to the place where you need to go.